G'day everyone. Next instalment on the Morris Major is putting a bumper bar on the back of it. When it came to me, it didn't have a bar. It had a rudimentary type put on there. Thankfully, one of the guys from on YouTube reached out to me and said that he had a bar for it. So it has arrived. I'll unpack it and see what it's like. It's obviously a used bumper bar, which is 50 odd years old, so we'll see what we got. I'll just show you what the car currently has. And it's basically just got a piece of tube using the factory brackets. So I'll rip that off and unpack the other bar and see what we got. See you soon. Okay, a progress video. Just hit it with some steel wool, some Bowden's metal polish, and it's actually coming up pretty well. I mean, obviously it's a 60-year-old piece of metal, but very grateful to have it, and should look alright on the car. So continue on. Here's the polish I'm using, by the way. Bowden's metal polish. I'm sure there's plenty of other brands out there that are just as good, but support the guys that are into their historic motorsport, so I'll stick with Bowden's. Thanks. And here we go. Bumper's on. It's polished up really well. Thank you Nev, for the bumper. Obviously it's an older bar, so just had a little bit of a polish, but it's obviously got pits and scratches, but I'm really happy with it. Really sets the car off back to where it should be. One final little job. This bloody fuel cap. Horrible auto parts store. Nev was also kind enough to give me this factory cap, so that's going on. Yeah, I know it's only a small thing, but that awful cap was really bothering me, so I'm very grateful to have that as well as this bumper bar. It's Christmas time, about to go inside and join the festivities and see the family, so stay safe everyone, have a good Christmas, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.